Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to create a simple yet effective attendance sheet using Google Sheets. This tool is perfect for keeping track of who's in and who's out, whether you're a teacher, a team leader, or just want to organize your events. We'll walk through the basic steps, from setting up your sheet to adding formulas that automatically calculate attendance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own attendance sheet in no time. Let's get started. First of all, you should have a list of your staff or students. In this step, you decide whether you check the attendance weekly or monthly. In this case, I work through monthly, but I separate it in weekly. You also may need to make that you work 5 days or 6 days a week. After you prepare all the table headers, then select all the column together. Then, resize the columns to what you want. Merge cells from week 1 to week 4. Select to add the borders to the table. Select the table again from week 1 to week 4 to add the checkbox. Click on Insert, then choose Checkbox. Now we can see the checkboxes. Now start writing the formula. Write equal, count if open the bracket, select the checkbox row, comma, then true, and close the bracket. So now you will see that it is count when you check on the checkbox. Write the same formula to the column absent, but instead of true, using false. Copy to all the cells. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful. Click subscribe to watch more videos.